So guys, welcome back to the channel CAD Comrade, and in today's video we are going to learn about how to change background colors in AutoCAD. So for that you have to type the command options and just press enter. After this you will come to an dialog box like this, and in this there are many options like file, display, open, save, this and that. So from that you have to come to a display option, and in that down here you have the option of colors. Just select the 2D model space. You have all the options of the colors: plot preview, command line, block editor, 3D perspective, 3D parallel projection, sheet layout, 2D model. You can change the any color that you want. So in that also you have many options of particularly what kind of element that you want to change the color for. So here I will choose uniform background and I want to choose the color red. So as you can see the preview right over here, you can change it to any color that you want. Say any, just you can name it, you can any color you want. So this looks good to me. I'll just press apply and close. Click apply again and just press ok, and your background color will be changed. And if you want to remove this grid right over here, then there is a specific video for that also. So check it out on my channel. If you liked it, then share it with someone who may need it. And I will not keep this color of course, so I will again write options. I will change the color again to my specific need, that is black. I like to work with black. So that was all for the video, so share it with someone who may need it. Thank you.